Okay, for this drawing, I know a lot of you are into anime or manga, so we're gonna see if we can do sort of some Halloween stuff in that style. So I'm just gonna draw sort of a manga style person, then we'll start some Halloween stuff. As always, use a pencil before you ink it. I'm gonna start with the ink so that you can see it better. All right, the first thing we need to do, I think in manga or anime, it's all about like gigantic eyes, kind of, right? So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that shape. And then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna do the opposite shape. All right. Then I'm gonna draw some really big irises. And they go kind of in the center, so it looks a little bit like they're cross-eyed, but really it's gonna look like they're just looking at a camera, right? Then I'm gonna go ahead and do their pupils. And then one thing that you can do is I'm gonna draw this. So that's gonna be like a highlight or like the white part of the eye, like if there was a camera with a flash or something. And then I'm even gonna come down here and do a thing like that, and that's gonna be the same thing. Okay, so then the iris, this is the colored part of the eye, and I'm just gonna draw some lines here. Right, and then you can go back and color that if you want. All right, so there's that. Then let's go ahead and I'm gonna draw a line up like that, and then that line, and sort of the same thing over here. Okay, so we're just working on the eyes right now. Then I want to come down here. I missed this line. I feel like we need like sort of some lines there. Then the nose, we're going to keep it very simple, and we're just going to do that, and that's it. Okay, so it's just like a check kind of. And then for the mouth, I'm just going to do this. So it's also, we're keeping it very small, because this is like a scared Halloween person. All right, let's come back up here, and I'm gonna draw that line and that line. Okay, so they kind of loop in a little bit, not a lot. It's almost a straight line. Right, and now I'm gonna come down here to a point. And remember to pause the video. You can erase if you need to erase. Adjust. I'm sort of adjusting as I go. I'm going to give just a really thin neck here. All right. Let's go back up and put the ears. I want the ears to like come there. It's a little lower than if you were drawing like a real person. But I'm going to put them right here and right there. All right. And then I'm going to draw that flap there, and I'm going to come up all the way around like that. Same thing here, I'm going to draw this line and then a flap. Remember, pause the video, I'm going kind of fast. Okay. And then let's go ahead, I'm going to give some eyebrows that go up like that, because they're scared. I don't know, other than just being scared, I don't know what this has. This might not, you know, be super Halloween-y. And just the inside of the eyebrow I'm going to make thicker, and then the outside I'm just going to let those be lines like that. Okay? And now let's do some hair. So spiky hair like that. They can go both ways. I'm sure that my friends who are into anime would be like, what is he doing? That doesn't look right at all. People like Evan and Chandler. And then I'm going to come on down here. So just like sort of spiky hair, right? All right, let's see. What kind of outfit do we want to give this person? Let's give him like this. And then we'll do shoulders. And we'll do shoulders. And there you go. And there is your anime, sort of scared anime person or manga. Awesome. Take your time, color it, maybe decide the story for this person. Who are they? What's going on?